Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to choose Shopify theme. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, my current theme is Refresh. And in here, I have here a lot of themes, like for example, Dawn, Scent, Spotlight, and I also have a zip file that I have uploaded. So for example, you want to choose a theme, make sure that you have a specific niche. So for me, my actual theme is Refresh because I'm actually selling clothes, just like this one. So in here, what you can do is you can click on this add theme right here, click on visit theme store, and then this will direct you to a new page wherein you can see the themes that Shopify offers. Now on this specific page right here, you should be able to see some free themes, some paid themes as well. And as you can see, you should be able to as well see what is the niche of each specific themes. So this crave themes right here, as according to the name, is actually good for food blogs or anything this food related. This one is extra, and this good for pet supplies or anything that is related to that. So as well as in here, the color block, they have a spring collection, which is good for clothes, as well as the Palo Alto, wherein they actually promote wardrobe. But make sure to also take note that each theme is actually depending on how you design it, and it doesn't define your niche. You just need to choose a theme that actually really resonates with you. Like for example, you can choose this publisher theme right here, even if you're not a journalist or a publisher. You can still use this in order to sell clothes or anything. It actually depends on how you designed it and how you want it to be. So for example, you want to install this one, you can click on this. After that, head over and click on this try theme. Once you have clicked on that, it will load itself and it will install itself on your specific app store or your specific Shopify dashboard. As you can see, it will add this. Now this will direct you to your dashboard and you should be able to see the progress for this addition of this specific theme on your Shopify store. Now this will only become active once you have hit the publish button, just like this one or this one. Once you have clicked on it, it will be your official theme. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.